Hi guys, this is Patrick for ScreenStudio, and I'm gonna show a little preview of the ScreenStudio 1.0 that is coming kind of really soon. You can see right now this is a version that I'm currently working on, so don't look at the number at the top, doesn't really matter. What I want you to look at is everything is based in this new ScreenStudio on the configuration file, an XML file where you can set your favorite settings to encode. And so basically what it does is ScreenStudio does read the configuration file and will figure out, okay, now this is to record to a file in FLV format with profiles already set. So look, currently I'm using the full screen video in X264 at 9000 in bitrate with audio at AAC with 224 in quality. But I have more profiles in my XML file. As you can see, I have high, medium, and low. And same thing goes for the stream. When streaming to, for now, I only support Twitch TV, but eventually more will be added. Then you select your favorite service, pick the right server, choose the profile you want to encode, and then enter your secret key to broadcast to that service. And then you have the two more tabs. One is for the the overlay, where you can set your stuff as usual, and you can set the layout of the webcam and the image, also the overlay image layout, and also your sources where you can configure your screen, your webcam, and audio capture. Some stuff, some stuff are missing from the interface right now, but I'm getting closer and just going baby steps at a time. But overall, what I wanted to show you is, okay, this is the new GUI, so you're saying where do files get recorded, and the thing is I want to keep that as simple as possible so people who don't really know how to configure avconf or whatever will be able to use it quite easily. Since everything is based on XML behind, I'm going to show you the file that I've been working on. So basically this is the file. I'm going to make it a little bigger. That's as big as I can get. Anyway, so this is the file. So I defined a service, which is the target is RTMP. You put in there the command that you want to use. So I'm using avconf, but nothing prevents you from using ffmpeg or I don't know, GStreamer or any other tools that you can use. And just put the proper tags in there. I'll have to document those anyway. You set the layout that you will support in your configuration. Basically those 5 layouts for the webcam, 2 layouts for the overlay. You just put your stuff in there. So if you're using ffmpeg and layouts are configured differently, then you just put your stuff in here. And then you have, if it's an RTMP server, then you just put your servers in there that are available. Eventually a generic one will be supported. And then you set your profiles. As you name them, you put the proper values in each attributes of the XML file, and then you create a perfectly set up profile to do the streaming or recording you want to do. So I did one service for Twitch TV. I don't know if it's perfect, but basically it should work. And then I did another one for screencasting in FLV format. Same thing, I just set up the commands, which are basically the same as the previous one. The layouts, again, we don't have any servers in that case. And I've just put some profiles in there, so full screen, high, medium, and low. So everything is pre-configured and quite easy to use. And if you're the kind of guy or girl that likes to tweak and put their own stuff, Basically, what you do is you create a subfolder in your home directory called .screenstudio, put an encoder XML file in there. That file will be available from the website when ScreenStudio.1 will be released. So don't worry, it will be available. And you just tweak the file. And let's say you're using another server or service that is not listed in the default, then you can tweak it and then share it over probably the web or providing the link. And if it's a good profile or a good configuration file, it will be added to the default configuration or available from the website of screenstudio.crumbs.com. So it's all coming. I'm quite excited with these features. So advanced users will be able to tweak and share their configuration with others. And people like me who like to just use it and don't tweak will simply look for configuration files available and simply use them. So let's say I want to stream to Hitbox, then I would have to go to the website and just look if the configuration file is already available, and if it is, I hope so, it will be. Then I just use that configuration file, and the idea is to support a generic version of the encoding that should work on almost anything. So we could have like high profiles and low profiles if you want to save on the bandwidth. So let's forget about setting bit rates and stuff like that most people actually don't understand, and just use those profiles available. And advanced users, just create those profiles and share them. So eventually that's what's coming with ScreenStudio.1. Yeah, I'm quite excited. If you want to leave more comments and join the community, simply go to ScreenStudio, the community ScreenStudio on G+, where you can post your videos you've done with ScreenStudios, your comments, your ideas. Hey, everybody is welcomed. And also, one thing before I finish that recording, when you're recording in a file, as you've seen in first tab, when you're recording in a file, actually don't select the file. And I was quite annoyed that I need to pick the file each time, and it's kind of a pain. So what I did is, okay, I'm going to record in a folder that I will create when running. And that folder is called ScreenStudio, like big surprise here. And each video, I'm currently recording this one, each video will be named by default ScreenStudio, the date and time of today, the extension of the profile you're using. Currently, I'm using a profile using the FLV format, so the extension is FLV. So you don't have to worry about selecting the proper file. Everything will be recorded there. Eventually, more stuff will be added, preferences like, no, I want my videos to be recorded on that folder or whatever. But for now, the default will be in home, your home ScreenStudio, and files will be recorded there. And the great thing with profiles is some may prefer recording in AVI or in MKV or other formats. So we just need to put more services in there supporting more video format with proper settings, and anybody will be able to screencast their Ubuntu desktop or Linux desktop for that matter. So that's it for tonight. It's time for me to take a break and just enjoy a little bit more free time today, but hope you enjoyed that little preview of ScreenStudio.1 that is coming really soon. Until then, if you have really good scripts to encode video using AVConf, or maybe others like FFmpeg and stuff like that, share them on the community, because we'll be able to build a database essentially of encoders. Everything will be pre-configured and it will be easy to use. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Please share with your friends, like, subscribe, all stuff like that. And see you another time. Bye.